London City Warlord. Kick off your alt door. Bust man in your face. Run in your house and beat it. Decorate the wall with the fortunate tools. Foreign beggars them. We have it locked down. See? I scale them tall like a blood clot. 70-year-old son. Watch out. Let me tell them. Me better than them. Me a clock man with Taliban then. You a roll with a bag of man them. But me a make you no man better than them. Come again. Better than them. Me a clock man with Taliban then. You a roll with a bag of man them. But me a make you no man better than them.
You don't know who runs show. Break 'em off with that dumb flow. These bars are that shine. Wait for this to go gung-ho. I shot that kung pao. No MSG, I serve up dope. Rap quotes and half baked. Recipes with that gusto. I'm a chef cake in that broke. Hating me, I just lost joke. Skin and teeth with that Colgate cream. Now watch this if cat sunstroke. I'm on that length. Shit, my business is shot in sickness. Blacked out, ballied up, crossed the witnesses off the hit list.
Me better than them. Me a clock man with Taliban then. You a roll with a bag of man them. But me a make you no man better than them. Come again. Better than them. Me a clock man with Taliban then. You a roll with a bag of man them. But me a make you no man better than them.
I don't wanna war with no one. I'm at war with myself. At war with my innermost thoughts, but never no guy in the shelf. Never chose wealth, should've chose health. But I know I'ma go pro with stealth. And I know how the wealth from the belt felt. So I don't delve, cause I know what I was dealt. I'ma go stealth, I'ma go roll. Oh, so cold with the pros, you're a joke. Never contest anything that I wrote. Kill off your team with a one-pin stroke. Lick off your in top, drop it in the moat. Gonna find that 10 men and 10 bolts. You man the eggshell, man, a straight jokes. Every damn lyric that I drop is a quote.
Me better than them. Me a clock man with Taliban then. You a roll with a bag of man them. But me a make you no man better than them. Come again. Better than them. Me a clock man with Taliban then. You a roll with a bag of man them. But me a make you no man better than them. Rinse me opening up some boy face. No open casket for them. Close casket.
Zomboy in a mighty rain, I'd like to welcome you to our program. No more commercial interruptions, I'll just say what's up and then go ham. Hit 'em with a slow gas. Then I open bottles with the models in the cut. Tell them haters in the back what they lack is. Never mind, we don't give a what. I'm on my bullshit. Loose cannon with a full clip. Soon as we step on stage and we race in the cage, you ain't really know the rules, bitch. See the bodies moving, you probably losing your damn mind. Speakers bubble, we grind, you get it? I don't see nothing wrong with this life. Damn, no time for playing it cool. I'm on my bullshit. I feel like breaking some rules, and I'm like, damn, no time for playing it cool. I'm on my bullshit. I feel like I'm in the pool. Let's get it then. I'm on my. Yo, for those who don't get it, I'm sorry, not really. We still chillin' and feelin' like a couple bosses. In the party, there are no losses. Think about what hangovers cost us. Inhibitions lost in the office. It's just another day in the office. Cause and effect, when the hell the sun come out? I don't know. How fucking this awesome club of the rain. Misbehaving, it's a safe haven for a misfit. Whatever your situation, no complications when the bass hits. Back to the basics. Hands in the air if you hit it, get loose. The beat's too sick to have an excuse and not have an outbreak. Goddamn it, it's truth. I'm saying no. Damn, no time for playing it cool. I'm on my bullshit. I feel like breaking some rules, and I'm like, damn, no time for playing it cool. I'm on my bullshit. I feel like I'm in the pool. Let's get it then. I'm on my